All right, moving on. How do you find high quality extra virgin olive oil and how to use more of it?
Well, I have. This is really important. So I remember. I think we talked about this on a TV program once. 60% of olive oil out there on the shelves is adulterated, meaning like not real or not pure or not or rancid or not good. The devil is in the details. Extra virgin olive oil is like one of the most powerful things a person can do to optimize brain health. There are brain healthy fats. So we talked about fish and fatty acids from fish, omega 3 fatty acids. They're very, very powerful. That's called a polyunsaturated fat. Olive oil is monounsaturated fat. There's PUFAs and MUFAs. Sorry for the technical terms, but you got to get quality olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And how to do that? Well, number one, read the reviews online. Number two, what is the expiration date? When was it harvested? Is it in a bright light? Is it in warm temperature? There are things like that. I only order my olive oil from two different places. They're both in California. I've been to their little shops, at the side of the road sort of thing. So I try to get extra virgin olive oil from quality sources. And I also have a friend that lives in Italy, and he sent me this big thing of olive oil, and we use that, and when you cook with it, you can maybe use one olive oil for cooking because you go through a lot of that, and maybe you may not want to use the really, really expensive pure stuff. Obviously the stuff gets expensive, but if you're going to be eating olive oil on a salad or drinking it, like I recommend to some of my patients, like literally a shot of olive oil. I don't know what you think of that, but I it's kind of yucky in the mouth, but you can taste the taste, the oligocanthols or whatever it is. So yeah, do the reviews online. Try to find extra virgin olive oil that's quality. Max, what are some suggestions that you have?
Yeah, I mean, I don't have any. People always ask me, it's one of the most common questions I get, what brand do you recommend? And I think part of the joy of cooking and enjoying food is to sample the wide array of extra virgin olive oils that are available to you from different parts of the world, Italy, Spain, Australia. I've had some really good extra virgin olive oils. So yeah, no real guidance there other than just, I would suggest buying your extra virgin olive oil in small bottles because it's a fresh fruit juice essentially that only gets worse over time after it's been exposed to oxygen. It's not like wine that gets better over time. You want it to be as fresh as possible. So my advice would be to buy in small bottles, make sure that it says extra virgin olive oil, look on the back, make sure it's not a blend, and just go through it. Use it as fast as possible and then buy new.
Yep. And the other part is if you can, once you start, it's like I don't drink wine. I don't drink, and actually, I get headaches from wine, so I don't drink wine. Alcohol, olive oil, I've gotten like my taste buds kind of akin to, and I can tell now if you try olive oil and it does something to the roof of your mouth and it feels a little funny, burns a little bit, that's probably real and that's probably good. And if it doesn't and it looks like clear, then it may not be as real. And there's ways to, get these levels checked, and you can talk to your doctor. There's also at-home tests that you can do. If you go to retainyourbrain.com, there's ways to learn about how to get your levels checked and how to do all these different things. And basically, yeah, you are what you eat, and sometimes you got to check your blood to make sure you're eating enough.
Yeah, love that.